In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Pipedrive CRM. This is really useful if you're bringing someone onto your team who needs higher level access, like managing settings, deals, or integrations. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Pipedrive account. First, make sure you're logged into Pipedrive with an account that already has admin rights. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually your initial or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the option called Manage Users. This is where you control who has access to your Pipedrive account and what they're allowed to do. When the Manage Users page opens, you'll see a list of people who are already in your account. To add a new team member, look for the green Plus Users button, usually near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. A form will appear where you can add the new person's details. The main thing you need here is their email address, since that's where their invitation will be sent. Carefully type in the email address of the person you want to invite and double-check it to avoid typos, because an incorrect email will mean they never received the invite. Once you've entered their email, you'll see an option to preview the user details. Click on Preview. This gives you a chance to confirm that everything looks correct before you finalize their access and permissions. Next, you'll assign admin rights. Look for the section labeled Permission Sets. Within that area, you'll see a drop-down, often under something like App Extensions or possibly Global, depending on how your Pipedrive is set up. Click that drop-down and select Admin. This is what gives the new user administrative capabilities, so they can help manage settings, users, and other higher-level functions in your CRM. After you've chosen the admin permission, it's time to send the invitation. Look for the button labeled Edit One User to confirm your changes. Click that and then select Invite One User. Pipedrive will now send an invitation email to the address you entered. Once they accept the invite and set up their account, they'll join your Pipedrive as an admin team member, ready to help you manage your CRM.